In today's fast-paced food industry, the demands on companies to maintain high standards of food safety, manufacturing efficiency, and regulatory compliance have never been more stringent. With regulatory landscape evolving rapidly, businesses need more than just reactive compliance. They need proactive, strategic program development to stay ahead. My program development services offer companies a comprehensive approach to building robust food safety and quality programs tailored to each business's unique challenges and objectives. Each food product and production process brings specific risks and considerations. By assessing and tailoring food safety protocols to meet these particular needs, I ensure that businesses not only meet but often exceed industry standards. From hazard analysis to preventive controls and real-time monitoring solutions, my program development aligns with both industry and regulatory requirements. Effective food safety is intrinsically tied to streamlined operations. I implement proven methodologies that enhance production and efficiencies without compromising safety standards. This includes optimizing workflows, reducing waste, and integrating lean manufacturing principles to ensure that production processes are both efficient and compliant. Navigating regulatory requirements across global markets can be complex. With experience in 62 countries and familiarity with regulatory standards of multiple jurisdictions, I provide expert guidance on adhering to local, national, and international standards. I ensure clients are fully prepared for audits and inspections by developing systems that embedded compliance into every operation. A successful program is sustainable and adaptable. By incorporating continuous improvement principles, I help organizations develop dynamic systems that evolve with changing standards. Additionally, training and developmental programs empower teams at all levels to maintain and implement best practices, ensuring long-term compliance and efficiency. With over 2 decades of experience in food safety, quality assurance, and regulatory compliance, I have successfully consulted over 1,000 facilities globally, achieving high success rates in compliance and safety program effectiveness. By prioritizing tailored strategic program development, I have businesses mitigate risk, improve operation, performance, and help enhance their market reputation. In a rapidly evolving industry, an investment in strategic program development is an investment in the future stability, compliance, and growth of your business. Let's work together to build a program that strengthens your commitment to food safety and regulatory excellence. I'm Donald Ray Abbott, your trusted partner in foods, beverages, and supplements.